Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 24x. The marking looks a little confusing. There's a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 24x can be broken down to 24 and x. From our table we can see that code 24 corresponds to 174. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of minus 1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 174 multiplied by 0.1, which is of course 17.4. So the value of our resistor is 17.4 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.